On this video, I will show you how to unlock pretty much any brand of any smartphone. It is very simple and we will do it step by step together. So as I said before, the process is pretty much the same for all models. No matter if it's a Samsung, if it's an HTC, if it's a Motorola, if it's any type of iPhone, the process is the same. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you will have to do on any phone is go ahead and find out the IMEI number. You do this by going to the dial screen and type *#06#. There you go. A 15-digit number will appear on your screen. Make sure to write down this number without any mistakes. We will use it on our next step.
Alright, so the next step is to go to the internet. Here we will unlock the phone. We have to fill in the form, brand of your phone. So this will work for any other brand as well. Then you're gonna write down your IMEI number. That's the number we got at the beginning of the video. So just make sure you write it down correctly. Then you have to type the email where you want to receive your code or the notification that your phone has been unlocked. So just make sure you write it down correctly. It's very important. Otherwise you won't get your unlock code. So just make sure it is 100% correct. Alright, so now you have to wait until you get your unlock code. This will take a couple of days, as I said before, so you have to be very patient. But for this example, I'm gonna show you how the email I got looks. So I'm gonna go to my personal email account. And as you can see here, I got this message and it confirms that the phone has been unlocked. So I'm just gonna open it. So as you can see here, it says that everything went successful. And now we have instructions on how to activate the unlock. In some cases, you're gonna have an unlock code. In other cases, you simply will get a confirmation that your phone has been remotely unlocked. Either way, I'm gonna show you how to do the unlock or how to activate the unlock. I'm gonna switch back cameras.
Now I can go ahead and turn on the phone again. And when it's completely on again, it should automatically ask me for the unlock code. Okay, I'm gonna go in. And there you go. It's asking me for an unlock code. This is the unlock code that you received on your email. Make sure you enter it without any mistakes. It's important to say that this unlock code will only work one time for this unique phone. If you enter that code on another phone, it won't work. So let's focus here and enter the unlock code correctly. After we're done entering the numbers, let's go ahead and click on unlock. And there you go, your phone is factory unlocked. The process is pretty much the same for all brands and phones. So as you see here, I'm getting a signal that means the phone is fully functional. So the process was easy, secure, and it's totally worth it. I hope this video was useful for you. Remember to give us a like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.